buzz of dying light. I print the slips day in through night. Waterlogged stubs, my only friends. Learning faces where their journey ends. No one collects, they just drive away. Another ticket for another day. Then the tide began to creep. Paper softened, secrets to keep. Rust blooms slow on bolts of steel. A patient ending I can feel. But I still take your quarters, I still flash the light. Come back when the eelgrass parts, I'm parked tonight. He drew the maps, the tow truck man, through submerged streets, a watery plan. He never comes, the reef grows deep, while concrete dreams are put to sleep. Fluorescent hum, a steady drone. In this garage I stand alone. Now the water's at my feet, every bolt a slow defeat. Paper wilts, a soggy plea, but the current waits for me. And I still take your quarters, I still flash the light. Come back when the eelgrass parts, I'm parked tonight. Red sand pulses, a fading heart underneath the ocean's art. Kelp sway slow on painted walls, answering nature's quiet calls. I still take your quarters, I still flash the light. Come back when the eelgrass parts, I'm parked tonight. The hum gets deeper.